She on the road, shorty dripping, that's Christian Dior. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got her own, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got her own, shorty ain't tripping, she got her own. Shorty she bad, she got it bad, she not one of those.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, we're gonna be working with UNiceHair. As you can see, y'all, I've been so excited to receive these glueless wigs because it has made life so much easier. Because what is glue at this point? So this is the hair straight out the box. As you guys can see, I'm not plucking, I'm not bleaching, I'm not doing nothing. And all my little goodies, of course. So I received a body wave 24 inches. And like I said, you guys, Amari, be quiet. Quiet. Like I said, you guys are watching me take this straight out the box. For me, packaging and everything is still there. Y'all, first of all, with these, alright, first of all, do y'all see this plucking? This is the wig straight out the box. Do y'all see this plucking, y'all? This is exactly how I pluck my wigs. This plucking is everything, y'all. What? Nah, what? Alright. At this point, Unice is not playing no type of games, y'all. This is how the wig looks on the inside. This is how the wig looks, right? And this is how it looks on the inside. Y'all, this is literally a throw-on wig, y'all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my foundation to my concealer to the lace. For my concealer, I'm using Fawn by LA Girl Pro. Go ahead and add it right to my lace, just like so. Make sure you get that all over your lace so this lace could be melted, honey. I just love how these wigs come so freaking pre-plucked. So I'm about to throw this wig on my head now. Inside the wig comes 3 combs, and I love this new thing they have now. It's like a bra strap where you can adjust it. Because the other wig bands they used to have in the wigs, y'all, it was no point because the wig was still mad loose. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust it to how tight I want it. I usually want it real tight so the lace can like literally be stuck to my head without any glue, nothing, y'all. With this type of wig, you don't need no glue, no nothing, literally nothing. Absolutely nothing. You don't even need to pluck. You don't need to do nothing, y'all. So this is the wig right on my head. And this is how it's looking now. If you want, all you gotta do is just throw the wig on and go. For me, just like I said, this is body wave hair. So all you gotta do is throw in the wig and go. This is a middle part. I don't know where the middle part went. So we're just gonna add that back real quick. Sometimes I feel like I can never get the middle of my head. Like, y'all, first of all, hold on, wait. Do y'all see how this wig is just laying so flat? Like, you would have thought this wig was glued down. And it's not. Like, this wig is not glued down. But I'm going to go ahead now and add my wax stick so we can, like, flatten this down at the top. Because we don't want no helmet head, y'all. We don't like our wigs to look like wigs. We need our wigs looking like it's our hair and not a wig. Like if people have to ask if that's your real hair, y'all, that means the wig is melted, okay? Lace melted, everything melted. So with these type of wigs, you literally have to do nothing. You could just throw in and go. But I'm extra, so I'm gonna do all the extra stuff. This is literally all you do. The wig was literally installed in under 5 minutes, y'all. This is literally in under 5 minutes. But to bring some life back to this hair, because I feel like it looks a little, you know, all over the place, I'm going to go ahead and just throw some calm wand curls in it just to bring the wig, you know, to make the wig look more, you know, nice. And just like that, your hair is done. Like, you honestly don't even have to do what I did by just curling it. But I need my hair to look like something for me. And this is giving, y'all. It's giving. It's giving loose curls. It's giving body waves, y'all. This is giving, y'all. Like I said, the wig came already plucked for you. If any of my girlies out there don't like to cut the lace, don't have to worry about gluing their wig down, don't have to worry about baby hair, don't have to worry about plucking, y'all, this is the wig for you. This is literally beginner friendly wigs. I love the fact that they came out with this method because, y'all, it saved so much time. It's not even funny. Like, I put this wig on in under 5 minutes. I curled my hair in under 10 minutes, y'all. Like, listen, and the curls is holding, baby. The curls is giving, y'all. The curls is giving, y'all. Yeah. Like I said, I received a glueless 24-inch body wave wig, y'all, from UNice. They never, ever, ever disappoint. I have so many wigs like this. Is not even funny because, baby, I got flavors in these wigs. I don't have to worry about gluing nothing down. I literally just throw on and go. That's the point of this wig. It's a throw on and go wig. Don't have to glue nothing. I mean, if you want to spray, you can go ahead and spray. But, y'all, look at this wig. Like, even when I pull it, it's not going anywhere because they have this thing that grips the back of your head. It's like a silicone band inside of the wig, y'all. And it grips the back of your hair. So it's like the wig is really not going away, y'all. Glueless, baby. Glueless. Wig is not going anywhere. For me, okay. So, y'all, stop playing and go get y'all a glueless wig from UNice. The same exact wig will be down below. The same exact link will be down below. If you want a different type of texture, don't worry, they got you. They have a lot of other different textures, so you can choose whichever one you want, y'all. But like I said, go ahead and get your wig from UNice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.